Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Altea and today I have a shorter video for you because I will be preparing for the Vlogmas season. So this year I will be doing Vlogmas a bit differently than I did last year. As for last year, I have shared some Christmas themed crochet patterns and also DIY projects that you can do yourself and even with your kids. But for this year, I was planning to do the whole Vlogmas daily thingy, which basically means that I will be working on 25 videos for each and every single day during this month of December. I'm very excited for that and I'm also prepared to do it. I will have to adjust my sleeping log, but other than that, I'm very excited. During these Vlogmas videos, I will be doing some daily vlogs to share a crocheter life of a mom of two and also who works full-time, basically how she spent her day. And also the most important segment of these Vlogmas will be that I will be sharing with you the Crochet Society Advent Calendar.
Hi, it's voiceover Altea here. So, back in September, Bella Coco released a video introducing this year's Advent Calendar. The pattern for the Advent Calendar is made by Carolyn Warren, who has an Instagram page called Poppy Seed and Pom. There is also a community on Facebook to share our progress and help each other out, for those who have bought the Advent Calendar. And I, who is a crocheter, felt that I must have it. Therefore, the impulse buy kicked in and I made the purchase. A few days ago, I received a beautiful package. If you are a beginner, make sure to follow Bella Coco because she is the way to start your crochet journey. She even has tutorials for those of you who are left-handed.
I will be showing you what's inside the box and also what the progress and what we will be creating. Make sure to like and subscribe and also let me know down below if you managed to get your hands on the Crochet Society Advent Calendar. And I will see you in the next one. Bye guys!